Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So as usual, we are going to analyze the Nifty 50 chart and we'll find out important make or break level for the next week. Along with that, we'll discuss some important global market update also, US indices, and all about the stock market update. So to know the Nifty 50 level, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and indices levels update. So let's start with the global market. Let's discuss some important US indices first of all. I am showing you all that last week our Indian market performance, and you can see it was slightly moderate, neutral, not very positive and not very negative also. But yes, I will show in your I will show in chart the market is continuously how it is falling. So from here you can see on Friday performance it is slightly uh, uh, neutral, I can say neutral, and Nifty Bank was looking little bit positive, 0.5% up. But if you'll go for the DJI US market, US indices, you can see it is also 0.16% and 0.13 for S&P 500, which is also looking neutral, not very positive. But it is the this is the Friday performance only. Nasdaq is also neutral, and small cap also zero point 0.5, around 0.5 0.58%. So overall we can say not very good in US market also and not very good in Indian market also. Looking all the market global, even Indian, looking neutral. And and if now we will talk about commodities, so we can quickly check out the gold prices and silver. Gold is trading around $4,000, which is quite at the same place, same price since last week. And if we talk in Indian INR, so it is around 1,21,000 something, 1,21,000 for the 10 gram I'm talking. And silver is $48. Means if you talk about Indian INR, Indian rupees, it is around 1,47,000 around it will come. So सिल्वर 1,47,000 पर केजी चल रहा है, एंड गोल्ड इज 1,21,000 per 10 gram is trading currently. And this is the gold and silver prices update, and even in dollar I have updated. It is at like from Diwali it is only uh, falling down. It is I will not say it has crashed, but yes, it has little bit cooled down after the Diwali. Brent oil is again at the 63, 64 around. And if we talk about currency, we can see currency is also at, if you see here, we talking INR, we should talk in INR. So US dollar against INR, we can see it is trading around 88. 88 was high, 88.7, or if we see, yes, low was 88.59. So overall 88.5 k around Indian rupees is trading against the US dollar. We can say that Indian rupees again falling. Okay, so again it is going toward the 89 around. This is the high 88.7. So 88.7, 89, 89 plus tha, which was highest level of the Indian rupees. So this is little bit negative for the Indian market, but yes, again the rupees is looking little bit weaker against the US dollar. So this was overall. In short, I have discussed the global market, and you should definitely go through in detail every week for the good perception of the Indian market also, because that the US market is the master market, mother market we can say. And always all the market, even like Indian market also depends on the US market. I have come on the chart. I can show you the chart. I have drawn two, three important line, two horizontal line and one trend line. I already posted the Nifty bank level yesterday on Saturday. You should go through that video for the important key level for the Nifty bank, because there also it is a very important make and break level, where it is going to in next week to confirm that what is actually where the Nifty bank is heading. The same thing in Nifty 50 happening. That's why I have opened the weekly chart, so that you can understand the little long term scenario of the Nifty 50, so that I can show you the long term what is happening. As a daily chart we talk only short term, but here I want to talk little bit long term, जो कि लास्ट 1 मंथ से चल रहा है, इट्स happening. And you can see I have opened the weekly chart, and this cup and handle pattern, you should understand how it is making this cup, and this is the handle. And this is a pattern where the Nifty 50 has given the breakout, which I discussed in my last week video, that there was a good breakout in Nifty 50 that I already discussed. It happened. And this week was 13th October, starting from Monday 13th October. So this week even I think since 1 month हो गया, their breakout already happened before 1 month, we can say. And it went up also till 26,100. This is, I guess, yes, 26,100 tak it has touched, it has reached, and from there it started falling since last 1 2 3. You can see here, last 3 week it is continuously falling toward this trend line. That's why I drawn this trend line to show you all that this is a neckline of this cup and handle pattern. This is a cup and handle pattern. This is the neckline. From here, it has given a breakout. It has touched the 26,100, again coming back to this level, which may be a retest level also. Yet is, yes, of course it is a retest level, but we have to, it is going to confirm in coming weeks that it is retesting, or it is giving or it has given the fake breakout. तो ये हमारा कंफर्म होगा आफ्टर चेकिंग दिस लेवल नेक्स्ट वीक, that it is after retesting it is going back toward this level, or it is breaking this trend line, this neckline, and going toward this level of which I have drawn of 20-week EMA also. So I am discussing in detail. You should give your attention one word. See, this is the 20-week EMA, this blue line, and this is also giving a important and crucial support to this Nifty 50. You can see here. Okay, here also earlier it has taken support. Here it is resistance. Here also resistance. Then again resistance. Then again resistance. Then again here broken, and then again here resistance, and here it went here taken resistance, and then again came to the this 20-week EMA. So this 20-week EMA also giving a support, and this earlier support also. So this crucial support is 50, I can say 25,000, which is a psychological support also, 25,000. So 25,000 you should be mindful for the next week, or coming weeks also. 25,000, keep in your mind. This is a very crucial important support for the Nifty 50. It may come next week also, even next to next week, we don't know, but sometime whenever it comes here, it will be a very good support for the Nifty 50. But before that, I am assuming that it is retesting. Okay, if it is retesting, then what will happen? See, always what happens when it is giving breakout, it is coming for a retest to the neckline level, which is this line is neckline level, and here from here it is going back toward again this again toward the for the new journey. So here I am assuming that it should be a retest level and it should take a reversal from here. But in case it is not taking reversal, it is breaking this level, this trend line, then it is imminent that it is going to toward the 25,000 also. So what is this important retest level, which is 24,000? I can say 25,000. Sorry, 25,400 is a make or break level. I can say so. 25,400 is a make or break level. From here, it will be decided that it is going toward this level, and this is a fake breakout, or it is a real breakout if it's taking reversal toward this level. And then if it's breaking this resistance of 26,100, which is a small resistance, not very big, but if it's breaking 26,100, definitely the all-time high is imminent. All-time high is 26,277 exact. If I talk to 26,277, so we can say 26,280 or 300 around. That will talk after 26,100. तो 26,000 अगर ये रिवर्सल ले लेता है और 26,100 के आसपास पहुंच जाता है, तो it is possible this time it will break this 26,100 and go towards the all time high of 26,277 or 26,300, we can say. So I have explained in detail. I hope you got everything clearly, that what is the importance of these important level I'm discussing, that very crucial to understand. You can see one, two, three, and three, four level is actually very important. So, and you understood the important, good, actually pattern breakout. All good. Yeah, sorry, cup and handle pattern breakout also. You understood, and कैसे breakout होता है, and then how it is retesting. If it's not retesting, then that means it is fake breakout. If it retesting and going back again toward the all-time high, it is real breakout. Earlier, I have explained the global market also, which is very important to review before the next week, means a new week is starting. So global market को देखना भी बहुत important है, which you should actually definitely check out. I am discussing here also updating every week, and I have updated the Nifty Bank levels also, and Grow IPO का भी update मैंने डाला है, so that you can see what all the GMP may be for the Grow IPO, and listing date and all. Everything I have explained. I have given the detail. I have shared in detail. So check out the Saturday video also. And yes, I will mention the Nifty 50 level uh, again. So Nifty 50 important support is 25,400, and then 25,000, which is psychological support also. Important resistance is 26,100, and of course after that all time high of 26,280 or 300 around. So this was next week important crucial level, make or break levels for the Nifty 50. Like and share the video, and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, stock in news update, and sectors indices weekly levels update. Signing off.